Success is not defined as a one-off random achievement. Truly reflecting the fact, success for people at Winner Developer stands across 3 generations of construction work. The story started with Railway Bhavan, Canada High Commission, St. Stephen's Hospital, St. Columbus School and Holy Family Hospital in Delhi, and since then has been peppered with numerous building structures. Adapting to industrial advancements and increasing use of the latest machinery and equipment have made a profile and portfolio bigger by the day. Surely, Winner Developer has carved an individual place for itself in the construction industry over the plinth of sincerity, responsibility and credibility. Headquartered in Delhi, we have always worked in tandem with various architects who invariably play a central part in development of varied construction concepts. Our team works on their design with a comprehensive wholeness by integrating different finer points into the construction of different specific structures. Winner Developer owes a good portion of its success to its associate architects also. Construction world is ever changing, but we understand the demands of our clients in totality and fulfill them with a multifaceted construction solutions. We are never reluctant to a simple structural, sanitary, electrical or allied adjustment or a specific finishing to the liking. But adherence to exact building construction plans and high engineering standards is fundamental in our mechanism. Regular site inspections are a norm for us. We have separately dedicated project managers, supervisors, foremen, carpenters, etc. for different constructions. With years of experience, they at once grasp different construction plans in detail and execute them seamlessly. Not only that, we frequently use email, SMS and WhatsApp to have a seamless flow of information and updates about specific projects in our system, keeping respective clients in the loop as well. Swift completion of projects in a time-bound manner has become a customary facet of the company. With a huge list of constructions in different residential setups and a fair number of commercial ones as our credentials, Winner Developer has had a wonderful and fulfilling journey thus far undoubtedly. Residential buildings definitely have been our forte, but riding on the trust of end customers and appreciation of architects, we are firm to march on a success path in commercial arena as well. Let's build our dream projects with our flawless construction expertise.